In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reply to negative feedback on eBay in the easiest way possible. Dealing with negative feedback can be challenging, but it's an important part of maintaining your reputation as a seller. A thoughtful response can turn a negative situation into a positive one. Let's walk through this step-by-step process together. First, you'll need to log into your eBay account. Make sure you have your credentials handy, as you'll be accessing your seller dashboard. Once you're logged in, head over to the My eBay section. This is your control center for all things related to your eBay activity. Within My eBay, click on the Selling tab. This area provides an overview of your selling activities, and it's where you can manage listings, orders, and of course feedback. Scroll down until you find the feedback section. This section is crucial as it houses all the feedback you've received from buyers, both positive and negative. Now locate the specific piece of feedback you wish to address. It's important to address each negative feedback carefully because it provides an opportunity to resolve conflicts and potentially win back a customer. Once you've identified the feedback, you'll notice a reply option right next to the comment. Click on it. This will open up a new text box where you can start composing your response. When writing your reply, keep a few things in mind. Your response should be short, professional, and factual. Avoid getting emotional or defensive, as this can escalate tensions rather than resolve them. A well-crafted reply can demonstrate your commitment to customer service and your willingness to make things right. For instance, if a customer has left negative feedback about a delayed delivery, you might write something like, "Item was delivered on time. Sorry for the misunderstanding. We've reached out to make it right." This not only addresses the issue directly, but also shows you are proactive in handling customer concerns. Once you're satisfied with your reply, go ahead and click the Leave Reply button to post your comment. Your reply will be visible directly below the original feedback, showing all other potential buyers that you actively manage and care about customer satisfaction. Responding to feedback, especially negative feedback, is an essential part of maintaining a good seller reputation on eBay. It demonstrates that you are responsible and engaged, qualities that can encourage potential buyers to trust you despite any isolated negative feedback. With this simple yet effective approach, you can protect your eBay reputation and possibly turn unhappy customers into satisfied ones. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide helps you navigate the world of online selling with greater confidence.